2007 Toyota Corolla. I have this problem with this beeping noise. I changed the jet tensioner, nothing. I changed the bell, nothing. And I couldn't figure it out why. But check it out, this one. As soon as I make a little bit press here, and the belt down, noise is gone. I let it go. So if you press a little bit, not the top, there's no noise. But just the bottom one. Look it. That's it. And I changed the belt, I changed the water pump and nothing. So basically the bearings and the tensioner and the alternator, that's the problem. Look it. I just figured it out just now. Okay guys.